You're not getting a regular sex?
Only on Sunday. when me now go work, I got my day off. But June week time,
yeah.
Me not get no sex when June week time.
Oh.
But the reason why she said to me, say when you go to church Monday morning, make sure you come my yard. And if me not see you come, I make night catch me. And really. And you make me spit on the ground and I mean I see you come.
You say spit dry up?
Yeah, go boxing.
So if Karen spit on the ground and it spit dry up and I reach in by the time spit for dry up, you get boxed down?
Yes.
Oh, hey.
Shabby, look here. You see when me get up a man time?
Yeah.
Karen ignorant and miserable like cuss up a bad one and tell me what's up my mother. Box me in my face, so that me I tell you. And that me I tell you, yeah, me have to talk make the whole world know what.
Oh, see, I get some.
Ignorantly.
Oh.
Then she go on like a hooligan.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, so Karen, you're a transformer. So Karen never try to kill it?
Yes, I will part time, don't draw a knife to stab me. Yeah.
Lord God. Lord God.
I got me telling people, they say they man understand what I want. And Karen are the cause of the problem, we can't get to come and work.
Karen, we got jail now, what you call it? Aggravated assault. I saw me don't know, the police are the bandits. Tell me what you mean. What I charge you mean? Attempted murder.
Draw
Karen,
a knife.
You draw a knife on him?
Yes, you draw a knife.
She put it in your throat?
No, crease me throat, right? So I said to her, I said, my girl, look out for me.
Yeah.
No, my girl, if you go and let me have it, I'm a girl, right now I want to be blood clot fuck. Right now I'm a girl, but right now I'm a girl back with her. I want to be in a yard, but.
So you do, Philip?
Philip, in my don't be me go to the yard and he have a party and he have a rose, thinking James rose, and I run this up. Then I shop, and he have one else and be when
so which part time you buy it off?
And even in foot.
In two?
Yes, he tell you. Let him be blood clot. I don't want him on my life now. Give the fuck you and
so he grab up it and put it in his pocket?
I put the foot in my mouth and I bite it off. I'm burn up my blood clot bed around here. You don't even know.
You burn up everything around there?
Yes, everything fucking burn up.
She not easy, she not burn up everything.
And me and I can't find Delhi, you know. Me and I can't find Delhi for you.
Delhi come back.
And when he come back?
I must see Friday.
We ain't look for.
Eh?
We ain't look for.
No.
You younger.
Alright,
brother. You younger gonna live, you know. Me as a younger gonna live, you gonna fuck him up and gonna live.
Asking a madman for $100 and look what he did.
Check out. The biggest scammer them doing the world. But Lord of mercy. Ooh, watch out. The boss a patch it down good enough. Yo. The boss a patch it down good. Watch him. Yeah man. Them man a come my road. Right now I must know them man a cope more than 5 gun out of 100 already. So bumbo clad. What you think of them boss? Bumbo clad boss I just scratch him head. Pussy clad. Boss clad. Yo Dada! Yo! Charge it! Dada! Yo Dada! Dada! Yo Dada! Yo! No Dada no Dada! Yo Dada! No Dada no uncle! Yo! Yo Dada me uncle no Dada! Please Dada! Dada no back it up back Dada! I show him! Dada! I show him! Dada! Yo Dada! Yo the back yo okay.
Come upset me.
When I hear me now, I never bother want that soup here. Me they like the soup.
The dog, the pussy drink it, and the dog, what the your dog?
Where them say the pussy and the dog drink it?
Yes, I mean feed them, really.
Yeah, but they make me drink the soup while
yeah, problem because you don't eat and you don't cook.
What you mean me not cook?
I don't eat. Until you do that, you don't want nobody for blood clot eat neither.
What you mean me not want nobody to eat?
You don't cook.
Of course me eat and
cook. You
cook.
don't eat and you don't cook. The dog them come feed them.
Me go drink it.
You don't eat and you don't cook. So that's why you don't care.
They make the soup get cold.
They eat at their pots.
Me
they are a different one.
Me they are.
You never want to see how the pussy eat. You sure don't understand.
Who no want share food for eat?
That get cold, change it. So don't have something else to the post. I take a cat, see that at the pot.
You don't see me
Come
all long.
on, me no
You don't
blood.
see me all long. You don't miss me?
Miss you, we are 9.
Who are 9?
No. I chat rubbish.
So me are 9.
You are 9, sometimes tell the truth, sometimes you
So
are 9.
how you never tell me say me are 9? How you never tell me say me are 9?
No, I'm going to tell you sometimes. Because you know when they want to the ABC, don't really want to pass them to see the long time. I mean, you clown out thing. I mean, I beg nobody no money. I mean, I beg nobody no money. I mean, I beg nobody no money. I welcome they were sponsor. A black man baby equip me an invalid. I have a dozen different things. I'm telling you. I will take the thing, the right name, and I'm here to that, you know.
So
No response to that, you know.
say me are 9?
No, it's when you go on this truck.
No.
You love take up this truck and for yourself, you know.
So me
I
answer
know
me
one
are
day,
9.
oh yeah, 9, oh yeah, 9. Because
Yeah.
me have to repeat one thing 3, 4 times. Like in a ear, when I say. That means you take the juke, and I want to put it and it's in your blood. The squad me.
So me never know me are 9, so me I leave you out.
Then you get rich now, then you go on. Never that hungry. It's in your farmer.
Me never tell you say I did.
Never that hungry when you're gone. Because you know my pop in the life.
You know I say you not appreciate people around you.
I dictate a fanatic. You assume and I dictate things to people. Fuck off with that too.
You don't appreciate people.
That's your opinion. That's the way you assume.
And you not tell the people them say I call on my phone.
Yeah, because the phone yet, because the work you work, you want to stop work. I'm going to say pussy.
Who you talking to?
Fuck. Then you phone make you work. Yeah, my ideology, the big beans of production in society, right? That is democratic society. Call me a call to make you work. You want me to let them girl for sidewalk, sell fuck. You don't want to work. That's why I'm call down your phone. Make you work. And that's why I'm call it down. I'm not call it down for love.
Oh, saying I love me.
I love you like how Jesus and the country, man. And guess what? You work. There are whores and prostitutes. I don't want to mix up with them. And they're all that. When you go away. Yes, sir. You work and you have an ideology.
There I'm not like how you talk sometime.
Me tell the truth, nobody tell the truth. Everybody can beat for the truth and them cut up your pussy clot. Anyone that broke me knife not some no blood clot. When me talk the truth, and they better know say the truth that. And you can't do nothing, you can't shoot me, because suck your mother. Anybody. The truth is about to say the truth. So they like the truth because they want to fuck and say fuckery and the fuckery. And then them gonna prison gonna rub crutches or them gonna prison gonna fuck body. Because them just want to hear fuckery all the while. Boy and girl. I tell you something. It's like nowadays generation, only them is the 5th and 6th generation. They even live no pussy clot. Them just born and they don't live no. My man up there work for be a whole house put them. They are the 5th and the 6th generation. Them don't live no, them live in a sort of pallet pussy clot house, pallet house.
Super cold, drink the soup.
No, me drink cold soup. Me drink cold soup. Me live in a cold country, me eat cold food. Oh, I only eat cold food.